Wow, what a day. So I'm waiting to turn left. And yes, I got my E Ultra dash cam back from E, and I didn't know the logo was turned on and that it was crooked. But this car turns. I start going because you're supposed to pull into the lane that they did, but then they want over as I'm accelerating. I'm like, what the heck? So I start going around it, and this lady floors it. She also threw her hand up and she pulled out her phone and put it up in the window to like take a picture or something. But because I went around, so at that point I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna turn around. So I go up here and I turn around. So we'll cut to I go back in the neighborhood. I see where she's at. So I go. I'm like, huh. Well, let's just see what she happened. It's just a woman. And okay, well, I assumed she were kept driving. You never go back to your house, but she lives in that corner house on the right, hits the garage, and went in. Here I'm coming, I'm leaving there. I'm going back up to the main road, and there's all these cars because the school's letting out. And I come to the stop sign. That person goes. I wait. The next set goes. I start going, and sorry for the camera aim, but see the shadow on the left? And I almost get hit by a minivan, which I think is the crazy lady from before. Oh my God, what chaos. You know, the monument lady from the parking lot experience. So here I am. I'm waiting at a left light. This is a totally different day. And I get the green. I start going. Oh, here you go. You get the car that decides to turn out of the blue. And I'm like, okay, not that big of a deal really, but still, it's just kind of annoying. So I start kind of backing off, let them get ahead. But, just pretty rude. A lot of people do that though. I mean, guys, learn the traffic codes. What are you doing?